Happy Father's Day here. My mom's riding with me in this thing.
Yes, I took an anxiety pill.
Sam's first time driving Lucille.
Yeah, and Dad gets to drive the little bit faster truck, just a little bit.
And then it goes to Hercules.
Oh yeah.
And that truck's going on Hercules.
Yep, we'll see that.
I'm driving with Sam. Not that I'm any help.
Now we're at Ron's. Gonna load up the big truck.
Good morning. I think that's it, Bruce.
How's it going, Ron? I'm gonna make a recording of this, all right?
Hey, this is my other honey. Called Hercules, named by me, and then on Hercules is August, named by me, and we're following in with Lucille, named by me, and this is my son Sam, first time driving Lucille, Father's Day 2022.
You do that with overlays or something?
Airbrush, just freehand. Pretty much all freehand.
Okay. This is Father's Day. We got Ron and Bruce, the builders of Hercules, and Sam's first day to drive Lucille. How was it, Sam?
Drove like a dream.
I think it's a happy birthday for Sam rather than a happy Father's Day. Bruce has a hat on only at car shows.
Son, dinner appears.
And now we look at August and we look at Hercules. This is Father's Day 2022. Pretty nice vehicle, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Those gentlemen built it.
Yes, very nice.
Thank you. As we have an admirer. And this is, oh, Sam, something went happen. I didn't push anything. It just
It's
went
probably
off.
still recording. You just gotta tap it, and then yeah, it's still recording.
Oh,
You just
okay.
it goes off whenever you.
Okay. Okay, well, we begin our journey again, focusing on Hercules. We gotta go with the flames that go all the way
Depends how
down
much work you want to put into
to
it.
the
Some of these
back
guys, they
of the vehicle.
They just record, like they'll go to a foreign country and just walk down the street.
We gotta get close. And then you got Grandpa Becker's old truck,
Another revenue stream that comes in.
relived
I really hate recording myself.
with a 700 horsepower motor, to which his grandson races.
And it's nice.
Now we're gonna try to see
Get our upholstery
how we
stuff
can see
Yeah, he's real famous.
Hercules. Cool. And we go down. It says B&B Builders. It was supposed to be BB Builders, but that's life. Then we go backwards and we see the glory for America. Then we slowly walk to the back seat, because this is a COE with a back seat. How did that happen? 2.5 years of lots of labor. This is the front seat. Okay, this is the steering column and the dash and the cup holder in between. Where are the seat belts? They're there. This is the side panel, the door. See if these people watch. Look, this kid's looking at it. Now we leave that door open and we go to the artwork on the side. Cool. And the motor is behind, where there is a place for, this will take a second. This is the motor. Okay, hard to see how big he is. And this is the space for luggage, coolers, chairs, tent. Goes on and on. We close the door. Wrong. We're getting in big trouble for that. They're probably looking at me now. Right in front of them. I'll turn you off for a minute.
Went ice cream shopping with some friends.
My glasses on.
Yeah, got this at the shaved ice. Donna's shaved ice.
It's a Dole Whip.
It's a Dole Whip, yes. This is a Dole Whip. I haven't had one of these before. It's actually not for me. It's for my mom.
I'll get you a bite of it though. You gotta try it. Here.
There we go.
Let me know what you think of the mango Dole Whip. It's gonna be like a blast of flavor in your mouth.
Oh my god. I was gonna choke and be like gross, but this is too good.
It's not what you expect, is
That's
it?
really good. Holy shit. We should have got that.
It's like real
Dairy
fruit.
free.
Yeah. Damn.
Dairy free.
Oh, it's dairy free too.
So that's a real reaction right there.
Cool.
Damn.
Sour, kind of tart.
Mom, do you how do you like the mango Dole Whip?
Love it.
We're the guys. His paint guy is dicking him around and can't get his
Was a
truck
good move.
back, and he won't answer
Yeah,
his
it was a good
phone.
move.
Oh, it's built. Okay. Let's see if it's supercharged or what. It's gotta be. Oh, okay, got the removable steering wheel and shit. That's how you know it's a race car, when you can take the steering wheel out.
Yeah. Oh, it's got a new 5.0 Coyote engine.
That fucking intake. Look at the intake on it.
That is insane looking.
Yeah.
Why is there so much? Because it needs air?
It's a
Yeah, a
turbocharged.
lot of air, more power, more air, more fuel. Everything's more.
Yeah.
Look how big the fucking, look how big
Well,
it
this
is.
is like how much engine
It's a V8.
in dollars?
Oh, you can get the engine for what, like 13,000, 14,000, something like that?
Yeah.
If I had to guess. But it's probably built too. It's probably not, well, I guess Coyote comes built probably.
Yeah. Yeah. Those are pretty. I mean, that's probably you can make that a 10-second car pretty easily.
Yeah. Yeah, look how little the engine looks on this one compared to that.
Yeah.
And it's still a fucking V8. That's clean looking.
Yeah, I like the color.
Oh, big old scratch now. Not as clean looking.
Oh,
when
look
you
at
get looking
that.
at it.
That's real clean.
It's a lot cleaner.
Yeah.
I like that.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Real clean. I like them rims too. It's like baller, just a baller car.
Yeah. Super clean.
A little dent in the door over there. What's she doing?
I bet you
He
this
drives
place-
this one actually. And shit, doesn't
Yeah.
he? You can tell the people that actually drive their car, you know.
Oh, I love that.
There's the ones that just sit in the garage the whole time. Like that one's sitting in the garage.
I don't think I would drive that one around too much.
I mean, look.
Looks nice.
I love the hood stand he's got.
Yeah.
Haven't been in the show.
Oh, really? Yeah, he ain't driving this one. That one gets driven.
See, that one gets driven,
sometimes,
yeah.
This one gets driven though, he takes it out.
I think I know the owner of that one. I think that's Butch. I think my dad's friends with him.
What the hell's in the bottle? What is that? A wiper foot, extra wiper foot or something?
Oh yeah, it must be.
That's really, it's like an official bottle too, like the factory, you know, triangle bottle like
It
that.
doesn't
I
even
bet
look
that's
like
hard to
it's
find.
attached
That's
to
a
it.
steak and shake plate.
Oh yeah,
Huh?
Vintage.
that's a real clean
That's how they did
interior.
it.
Dang, look how clean that interior is. I like that color too. It's like a purplish black.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Foose wheels, those are expensive wheels.
They're nice as well.
This is what I want right here. A nice camper I can live in and travel in. Maybe not this one,
Okay,
but
we'll start with Class A.
still pretty cool.
And then you just push this down, drive your truck on out.
Yep. Oh, I didn't. Yeah,
Yeah,
didn't realize that.
it comes off the bed.
Oh, okay.
Al's got one of these that goes in the bed, but it just goes in the bed and it stops where the bed is.
Huh?
This is like a whole
Like,
camper.
Yeah.
It's a bed camper, so you don't need to pull it behind you.
That's pretty cool. It's got like a third wheel.
Yeah.
Steven Sleeper, entry number 2 of the
Yeah, that's way better
1928
than
Model
Al's
A
thing.
Ford.
Oh yeah, I mean that's a full size. The bed's
you
up
bet
here.
you have a shower in
You
there.
sleep up here.
Right.
Oh
So
yeah.
imagine how much room they got.
This is amazing.
Red
Is
Rider
this yours?
coming down for your
Both of
money.
them are.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, my friend's got a little bed camper for the truck, a little tiny one, you know, it's just crazy. I never seen nothing like
Oh,
a
yeah.
full-size camper on the bed still.
Oh
That's
yeah.
cool as hell.
How does the suspension work? If you don't mind me asking. Is it okay if I record this? Yeah, you mind it? Oh, what's that? Oh, oh wow.
That's insane.
That's cool. Dang.
That's the rear diff and suspension out of a Lexus LS 400.
So like that some vehicle came with that factory suspension like that, or?
That part.
Yeah, usually you
I
got them
did
the
this
other
part.
way. Yeah.
And turned them and still made it work and everything.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. Because you've seen push rod suspension with
Right, straight
airbags
up
or
and down.
coilovers.
Right.
Huh. Very
Yeah, that's
cool.
crazy.
These are modified trucks, 61 to 72. This was sponsored by Dave Jr. Ross, Rides and Customs. Runner-up is Earl Nance with
What'd
an
you get?
One
1866
back by the truck.
truck.
What'd you get? Let me. I gotta get a report. First place. All right. Cool.
And we got a couple more didn't come in, right?
It's ours. Oh, it's like that.
some din-din after a long day at the car show. Won best in class. The car hauler won best in class, and the other car run runner-up in its class. Now we're in beautiful Washington, Missouri. Got the river there. Old train station.